Today we are making this cute little meringue cookies.
That is super cute. Let's make it.
First, let's make the meringue. An egg white.
100 grams of egg white.
Add sugar.
150 grams of sugar.
And quickly mix.
The shape of her whisk is making me suspect that she's about to ask me to use a KitchenAid.
Don't do it.
Now we're gonna heat this up with simmering water.
Whisk above simmering water till it reaches 130 Fahrenheit.
Once it reaches to the temperature, remove from the heat and quickly start whipping with high speed.
Whip the egg whites with minor rage
until it gets fluffy.
My arm is killing me. Is this ready?
It should look fluffy and shiny, but elastic and stretchy also.
Yeah, we got a long way to go. I'm gonna go sit on the couch and keep beating it.
2,000 years later.
I've had enough.
Now take about 1/3 of the whole for red color.
Dye 1/3 into red.
Take 1 tablespoon for pink.
Tablespoon to pink.
And take another 1 tablespoon for black color.
I'm gonna say that's black. I have to lie to myself because I don't want to continue.
Jeez, okay.
Now into the rest of the meringue, add cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder for brown. The best color I've mixed today.
Yeah!
Today we are using these pastry tips.
Today I'm using a lot of sandwich bags. I'm gonna assume this is the head of the bear. And we're gonna give him some cute ears. And the vulnerable parts of the face. Some sharp eyes, pretty nose, and a beautiful smile.
Nice.
A voluptuous heart. Off-colored legs and arms. Mine looks a little different, but I can't pinpoint what it is. Missing the candle. Now it's 100% the same.
Nice job.
Bake at 90 Celsius or 195 Fahrenheit until they are hardened.
Bake until James harden.
It is so good and I think you're gonna love it too.
Finally done. Let's pick the cutest one. Not him. Alright, let's see how it tastes.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
It doesn't taste as good as it looks. That's saying a lot considering how mine turned out. But overall it was a good arts and crafts session. Alright, thank you.